OnePlus has been a gold standard when it comes to budget flagship smartphones, and it's time of the year when they have a new edition. After the loads of rumors and official leaks, we have the phone itself, the OnePlus 6. Let's unbox and take a quick look at what it has to offer. Coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, Raju here from TechPP, and this is the special reviewer kit with the OnePlus 6. Now before we go unbox it, why don't you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified as soon as we have the full review of the OnePlus 6. Once we open the box, we find 5 different cases: the trademark sandstone cover, the popular Kevlar carbon fiber case, the new nylon bumper case, the red silicone case, and the ebony wood cover. And the familiar white box for the OnePlus 6. It has a subtle engraving of the number 6 on the front and talks about the speed you need on the side. That seems to be the theme of this edition. We have the Mirror Black edition over here, but there are 3 other variants coming. More on that later. As you would expect, the phone is on the top. Notice the notch on top, and the back now is made of glass. In fact, it's the first OnePlus device with an all-glass body with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and the back. As the name suggests, it has a mirror finish and looks quite beautiful. Let's keep that aside and check the rest of the box contents. OnePlus has packed in a silicone TPU case, and then we have the usual documents alongside the SIM ejector tool. Then the USB Type-C cable in typical red, along with the dash charger brick, which continues to be 5 volts 4 amperes. Let's have a closer look at the phone itself. As with many others in the industry, OnePlus has embraced the notch display, and they believe it's the best way to provide a full-screen immersive experience to the users. The 6.28-inch screen is still AMOLED and looks bright and vivid like always. Thanks to the 84% screen-to-body ratio, it can accommodate more screen for the same size as the OnePlus 5T. As well as the back of the phone, OnePlus has ditched the metal for the glass for the premium look and feel. Despite being a fingerprint magnet, the phone looks rather beautiful. The sides curve rather ever so gently to the back, providing a nice grip and the hand feel. The dual cameras on the rear has been moved to the center, much like how it was with the OnePlus 2, 3 and 3T. The fingerprint scanner now has a curved rectangular look and is quite as fast as before. OnePlus has also meddled with the button placements for no apparent reason. The alert slider has been moved to the right above the power button, while the volume rockers have been moved to the left. Thankfully, the OnePlus 6 retains the 3.5mm audio jack, which is fast disappearing from other flagship smartphones. As for the internals, the OnePlus 6 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor clocked at 2.8 GHz, Adreno 630 GPU, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 64, 128 or 256 GB of internal storage, and connectivity options like dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, etc. We now have the 16MP f1.7 Sony IMX519 as the primary camera. It comes with OIS support and has a big 1.22 micron pixel size. The secondary lens is the 20MP f1.7 Sony IMX376K lens. The OnePlus 6 supports 4K video at 60fps and comes with super slow-mo 1080p at 240fps. Not the best in the business, but has no restrictions on how long the video can be. The selfie camera is a 16MP f2.0 Sony IMX371 with EIS enabled on it, and it can record videos up to 1080p. So what does OnePlus 6 bring to the table? A top-notch design, no pun intended really, with premium look and feel, a slightly upgraded camera, and the same promise of high-end processor and RAM with an optimized software experience. There were rumors about wireless charging and IP67 rating, which turned out to be false. OnePlus says you can still take it out in the rain, but it's not built for extreme conditions. At the time of shooting this video, we don't know what the price would be. We will update that in the description below, but the rumors say there will be slight increase as we come to expect with OnePlus every year. So just a few days more and we will be back with an in-depth review of the OnePlus 6. If you have something specific to ask, let us know in the comment section below and we will be happy to answer that in our review. That's it for this video guys. Hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, may the tech be with you.